Hey guys, welcome back to another quick form video. In today's video, we're talking about a new phone that just came out, and it's now available on Boost Mobile. God, excuse me about that. So we go to phones, and if you scroll down, guys, you will see that finally the Moto G Stylus 5G is available on Boost Mobile. It is a Motorola. This phone is $50 off currently. It does go for $250, but you can get it for $200 currently. So it says the new Moto G Stylus 5G gives you the ultra fast speed and built-in stylus you want. So remember, there is a Moto G Stylus. This is a Moto G Stylus. So not to get it confused, this is the 5G variant, which is pretty cool to see on Boost Mobile's network. But remember, they're using T-Mobile's 5G network. So just remember that. It says download an entire movie in seconds. Check. It says a stylus to jot notes, control apps, and play games with pinpoint precision. Done. It says, but you want more, like a 48 megapixel quad camera system to capture the moments from every perspective, along with the blazing fast responsiveness of the Qualcomm Snapdragon 480. So it is a 4 series Snapdragon 5G processor and 120 megabytes of storage. It says megabytes, maybe. It's supposed to be gigabytes, so that's, I think, a typo right there. It's 120 gigabytes, not megabytes. Boost Mobile. All this in a phone that gives you a 2-day battery life of a gorgeous 6.8 display with the Moto G Stylus 5G. You got it. So key features: 6.8 inch real big screen, 48 megapixel camera, 50 hours of talk time, 120 gigabytes of storage, and Android 11. So pretty cool. You can see there's a stylus, guys. Hole punch, which is real nice. No teardrop or anything. It is on the left side, as you can see, instead of like in the middle. On the right, you do have your volume up, volume down, and power button. The back is pretty sweet, I must say. Look at this gorgeous green, almost emerald. It's just pretty sweet. I like it. Like I said, quad camera setup, pretty cool. Kind of reminds you of like an iPhone almost. You can see that the camera lens does protrude a little bit. On the bottom, you do have your stylus, your bottom firing speaker, your Type-C connector, and does have a headphone jack. It's pretty cool. Not many phones have that anymore. So of course, like I said, it's gonna be a quick video. Super fast 5G. Of course, we know that with 5G you can download movies in no time. It's pretty fast, guys. Movies, YouTube videos, you can watch anything, and it's just gonna download and stream super fast. Noteworthy in every way, says enjoy pinpoint control and a whole new way to express yourself. Jot notes, edit photos, sketch artwork, copy and paste text, markup, screenshots, you name it. The stylus is seamlessly integrated with a Moto Note app. So remember, the LG G Stylo and the Moto G Stylus, they're going for a more budget-friendly approach compared to like the Note series that started about close to $1,000 for those phones. So if you don't want to spend $1,000 but you still want to use the pen, these are the phones to get. So set your creativity free. Showcase your creativity from every perspective with a 48 megapixel quad camera system. Take sharper, brighter pictures in low light settings. Thanks to the quad pixel technology, fit 4 times more in the frame with ultra wide angle lens. Capture incredible close-up details with a macro vision camera, and turn everyday photos into professional portraits using the depth sensor. Sweet. Lastly, let's look at the final specs. So this phone does have a 5,000 milliamp battery, guys. Pretty big. So it will last you about 50 hours. Talk time, that is. You cannot remove the battery. Memory is 4 gigs of RAM, 128 gigabytes of internal storage, with support to micro SD up to 1 terabyte. Wow. This is the processor is Qualcomm Snapdragon 480 octa-core, up to 2 gigahertz. Does have Android 11. Here's the camera specs: a 48 megapixel rear facing camera, 8 megapixel wide lens, 2 megapixel depth lens, 5 megapixel macro lens, and 16 megapixel front facing camera. Wow. Pretty good for the selfies. Wow, does have a 1080p resolution in the screen. It's a 20:9 aspect ratio. It's a 6.8 inch full HD screen, guys. Of course, it's Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, USB Type-C, and 3.5mm headphone jack. This phone does have the stylus, a rear fingerprint sensor, and face unlock for all you cool kids out there. So pretty cool, guys. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Do you like this? Are you thinking about getting it? Do you want me to get it and maybe unbox it? Who knows? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you.